If you frequently use Bluetooth headphones for calls, you probably want your calls to be automatically routed to them without having to adjust the settings manually each time. In this guide, I will show you how to configure automatic call routing to a Bluetooth headset on your iPhone, improving both efficiency and comfort during conversations. To begin, find the Settings app on your home screen and open it. Once you're in Settings, the next step is to scroll down and tap on the Accessibility section. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and select Touch. On the Touch Settings page, you will see multiple options. Now scroll down almost to the bottom, where you will find the Call Audio Routing option. Tap on it. Next, you will see three options: Automatic, Bluetooth Headset, and Speaker. To enable automatic call routing to your Bluetooth headphones, select Bluetooth Headset. Once you do this, all incoming and outgoing calls will automatically be transferred to your connected Bluetooth headphones, without the need to switch manually for each call. If your Bluetooth headphones are not connected at that moment, the call will be routed to the default speaker or earpiece of your phone. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial.